In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gumroad profile name. If you want to update the name that appears on your Gumroad profile, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you're rebranding, correcting a spelling mistake, or just making sure your profile matches the name you currently want your audience or customers to see. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account and looking at your dashboard. Once you're there, go to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Profile. This will open the section where you can manage your public profile details. If you don't immediately see the setting you need, just give the page a second to fully load. After the profile page opens, look for the name field. This is the area where your current profile name is displayed. Click into that field, then edit the existing text to whatever name you want to use. Take a moment here to double check the spelling, capitalization, and formatting before moving on. Since this name may be visible to customers and visitors, it's a good idea to make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to appear. As you update the name, try to keep it consistent with your brand, creator identity, or business presence across other platforms if that matters to you. That can help make your online presence feel more professional and easier for people to recognize. Once you've finished editing the name field, the final step is to click Update Profile. This saves your change and applies the new name to your Gumroad profile. After clicking the button, wait briefly for the page to process the update. In most cases, the change should take effect right away. If you want to confirm that everything worked correctly, you can stay on the page and review the updated information, or refresh the page to make sure the new name is saved. If the change doesn't seem to appear immediately, give it another moment and check again. And that's it. That's how to change your Gumroad profile name. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in keeping your profile accurate and aligned with how you want to present yourself online.